everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you a pirouette combination. It is a follow along tutorial, so let's get to it. We are going to begin en face, classical pose, arms on allongé, and with the music we are going to do 5, 6, 7, 8, balance, balance, step in fifth position, chasse that dancing fourth arabesque, demi-plié, double pirouette, fourth position. All this is facing the right diagonal in front of you. A stretch, demi-plié, use this time to breathe. Double pirouette, fourth position long. We are going to do détourné, arms on bras. We are facing the left diagonal, right leg in front, arms open. Transfer body weight forward over the front leg, arms, 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 demi-plié. We're going to do double pirouette underdone, demi-plié, détourné, and stay. Are you following along with me? Remember that you can always stop the video, go back, review the first part, and then you can join me, okay? I'm going to keep along with the second part. From fifth position, we are going to do passe, demi-plié, that change to the back. Passe, demi-plié, change to the back. Third time it doesn't change. Stay in front. We are going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 pirouettes. And facing the right diagonal in front of you, we are going to breathe. We are going to do demi-plié, pas bourrée, alternant, classical pose, and we are ready to do everything to the left. Let's do the combination from the beginning one more time without music. Take your time, follow along with me, and listen my voice as I guide you. Arms on allongé, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, plié, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Détourné, take your time here. 1, demi-plié, 2, passe, 3, 4, and passe, plié, passe, pirouette, double pirouette, 3 pirouette, 7 pirouette, that ends facing the right diagonal, demi-plié, coupé to the back, pas bourrée, alternant, and ready to the left. Well, guys, it's time to try with music now. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth position, breathe. Long position, détourné. Fourth, arms, arms. Détourné, plié, passe, that change. Second one, and change. Third one doesn't change. Demi-plié, coupé, and breathe, left side. Double, and détourné. Take your time. Détourné, plié, passe, and change. One more. This doesn't change. Fourth position, demi-plié, classical pose.